dito sa community namin, we have a weekend parang recycling thing. Every Sunday po, may ginagawa po ako to help me spiritually. So what we're gonna do now is a little bit of Sunday driving. So Sunday brunch feels perfect way to feed your soul. So we're gonna buy our supplements. And apart from doing errands, kasama na dito yung leisure walk. Ang laking bagay nung you spend quality time with your loved ones. Happy day, Practicalers! This is your practical coach, Coach Kristan. So join me po, samahan niyo po ako sa ating Sunday routine, yung usual Sunday routine ko po, wherein I try to take care of my mental, emotional, and a little bit of my heart health. So join me po! So Practicalers, ang first stop natin ngayon is yung Sunday, parang weekend. Dito sa community namin, we have a weekend, parang recycling thing. And alam ko, sa inyo po, kahit ano naman pong barangay, may mga initiatives na po para mag-recycle. And for me po, akin lang to, it helps me mentally and emotionally to recycle. Kasi parang, ang sarap lang ng feeling that you're contributing to how you take care of Mother Nature. So yes, hindi naman po full recycling ang ginagawa ko in my lifestyle, pero I try my best na kung ano yung po pwede nating itulong, like yung plastic bottles, containers, mga canned, what do you call this? Drinks. Yan po yung usual na rin-recycle ko, no? And nakakatulong siya sa pakiramdam na you're contributing to Mother Nature, to taking care of Mother Nature. And you're hitting two birds with one stone. You're taking care of Mother Nature, and at the same time, para bang gumagaan yung pakiramdam mo, you feel fulfilled, and it helps you take care of your mental and emotional health. Next stop, Practicalers, we're going to do some spiritual nourishment. When we talk about spiritual nourishment, hindi naman po yan about religion. It's your personal relationship with your Creator. And even if you don't believe in a divine Creator, pwede rin naman po, no? Basta importante, we try to enrich our spirituality, whether meditation ba yan, prayer. So, doon na po tayo papunta ngayon. Every Sunday, I do some spiritual activities to help me be really, spiritually nourished. Para for the week ahead, para bang ma-energize ang aking moral, and at the same time, my attitude is positive because I was able to spiritually nourish myself. So, I encourage you po, have your own spiritual routine, whatever fits you, basta po nanonourish ang spirituality nyo. Okay, done na po tayo sa ating food for the soul for this Sunday. So what we're gonna do now is a little bit of Sunday driving. Well, hindi ko naman sinasabi po na everyone should do a Sunday drive. But for me, I love driving on a Sunday because less traffic nga po. And siguro what I'm trying to parang say here is just do something that you love. Pag Sunday, pwede rin tong time na me time nyo para nagagawa nyo yung gusto nyo. And I guess when you do something that you love, it makes you mentally, emotionally, spiritually happy. Kaya that's what I encourage. Kaya ako po, pag Sunday, I try to enjoy driving because I love driving. Isa po yan sa mga gusto kong gawin. Kaso, syempre, we have to admit, when you live in Manila, it's really kind of toxic to drive, especially on a weekday. Kaya, Sunday is the perfect time to do that. And yun nga, makikita nyo po, medyo green and go. So, tignan natin pa natin dyan. Green and go tayo. Konti ang cars in the metro. So, medyo chillax mag-drive. And again, parang marami kang nakikita. And siguro ang isa ko pang tip, kung parang ako kayo, you love driving or riding, alam ko marami rin gustong magbike or mag-motorbike. Siguro ang isang tip ko, punta tayo sa mga lugar kung accessible po sa inyo na medyo nakaka-relax yung view. Sa akin po, even if it's the metro, yung ating view ngayon, it's the metro. Pero I'm just blessed na I have access to this kasi aesthetically, hindi naman yung aesthetically pleasing, pero nakaka-relax yung nakikita ko kasi dito sa area na to maraming greens and masarap din mag people watch. So, yun ang aking tip po sa inyo. Do something that you love and try to do it in a place that would relax you and will make you feel happy. Okay, Practicalers. So, may nag-pit stop lang tayo. We're back home. Nag-change lang tayo to shorts because this is one of my favorite parts of Sunday, which is to like walk around. And again, very blessed that in the community, meron tayong combination of metro scene, but at the same time, there are greeneries. So very parang refreshing sa isip na magkaroon ka ng outdoor parang vibe. And with the energy of Sunday crowd, everything is gonna be perfect talaga. So samahan nyo ako as we make this Sunday good for our mind, heart, emotions. And sana makakuha kayo ng tips on how to make your Sunday vibe also very happy. So we're here in El Chato. I hope I'm not butchering the name. I tried this na the other day, even met the owner. So shout out LA if you're gonna watch this. It's a Mexican fusion with the Korean barbecue resto here in the community, and we're trying it out. I believe they have other branches in other places, but we're trying it here in the community para madagdagan naman natin yung community choices natin. So Sunday brunch feels perfect way to like feed your soul, your mind and emotions, and of course your tummy. We ordered the burrito, beef picadillo for me, and then honey, street taco. Is that beef, honey? So it's beef and then cheese nachos. So, kain po! Practicalers, so this is one of the things that I love doing on a Sunday. Having date time with my wife and enjoying brunch feels. Ewan ko ba, nung tumanda ako, parang mas gusto ko na to be out and doing a little bit of drinking whenever it's still sunny outside. Siguro pag tumatanda ka, ayaw mo na yung feels na masyadong panggabi. Parang ang gusto mo lang chill to just really relax. So this is one of the things that my wife and I usually enjoy on a Sunday. We do brunch after church service. And I guess maganda yung bonding with food especially for me and my wife. We love trying new stuff. Katulad nito, I've been here like a couple of days ago. It was my first time to try it. Pero hindi ko kasi kasama yung wife ko nung time na yun because I was having me time. So, I decided to bring her here today. It's not so new. El Chato is not so new. I think they have several branches in other places. But it's new here in our community. So, might as well try it. And siguro yung food, it's not only food for your physical body, it's also food for the soul. Kasi when you try good food, it's something that parang in a way makes you happy, makes you elated, lalo na pag sobrang sarap ng food. So, I recommend Practicalers na kayo din, pag the budget would permit, di naman kailangan sobrang mahal yung pupuntahan nyo. Kahit nga manong fishball na tusok-tusok ang gawin, okay din yan, basta you're with the company of the people that you love, you're spending quality time. Tas yun, may pa-people watching kahit naman sa anong kanto, di ba? Basta enjoy ka dun sa vibe at sa mga nakikita mo. That's also one good thing about enjoying food. Kami ng wife ko, for the practicalers who are loyal also sa Practical Power, my radio program, I know that I also already told you guys about this. We love going out on dates because it's our way to like enjoy other things na not related to food. Nandyan yung fashion kasi syempre pag nagpi-people watch ka, all the kinds of fashion you get to see. Tapos you also get to observe the behavior of people, which is nakaka-entertain talaga. Kaya nga, practicalers, ang ginagawa ko ngayon, you don't see me, you just hear me talking. Because kung ano yung vibe na nakikita ko ngayon, gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Kasi baka ma-discover nyo through this Sunday routine vlog that I'm doing, na pati rin pala kayo, mahilig kayo mag-people watch, to go out and just tumunga nga lang while you're out, di ba? Nakaka-enjoy din yun. So, sana you get to also enjoy kung ano yung nakikita ko, and kahit papano makatulong na you guys get to unwind. And ang objective nga nitong vlog na to is more of for you guys to discover how Sunday can help you in terms of your mental, emotional, spiritual, and also physical health. So our next agenda will be to do our errands. Part of the errands would be to buy supplements. So, syempre, kailangan hindi lang mental, emotional, and spiritual health ang ating tinetake care. Pag Sunday, dapat meron ding physical health. So, we're gonna buy our supplements. And apart from doing errands, kasama na dito yung leisure walk. And practicalers ako, sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung a little bit of physical activity can go a long way. So it's not just gonna be good for our physical health. It will also be good for our mental, emotional, even spiritual health, di ba? So, good for the mind, body, and spirit, a little bit of physical activity. Kaya maganda tong nagwo-walking tayo. And nakakatuwa lang na the view is very giving, di ba? So, let's enjoy the view. Okay, practicalers, inabot na tayo ng gabi. So, it's not always like this for my Sunday routine. But kami ni Wifey, na-miss namin to have a date and spend time with each other. So, it's kind of loud here. We decided to have a different kind of date. Si Wifey kasi, she's a fan of basketball. And there's a big game tonight. So we decided to go to this resto para we can have bonding time. Kasi yun din yung isang gusto kong sabihin, practicalers. When it comes to mental and emotional health, ang laking bagay nung you spend quality time with your loved ones. So, kanya-kanyang trip yan eh. Pwedeng yung quality time nyo over food, pwedeng outing, pwedeng outdoors, pwedeng doing sports activities. Kami ni wife, it's always about having a date. Iba-iba nga lang yung date namin. Minsan we have a date na we dress up, feel good about ourselves. Ngayon, ang date namin, we're gonna combine the love of basketball with good food. So, sana practicalers, you learned a little bit, not only about me, but about yourself, more importantly. Kung ano yung mga bagay na po pwede nyong gawin to keep you happy mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and health-wise. So, till next time, I hope you follow, like, and subscribe. Ito po ang inyong practical life coach, Coach Cristan, na always reminding you, dream big, live passionately, pray hard. Bye!